Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shamnasa Akhtar. In my last video, I have discussed about my subject-wise resources. There I have mentioned using multiple platforms. In this video, I will discuss about how I combined different platforms to revise them more effectively and smartly. If you want to know why I have used multiple resources, then let me tell you. It's not possible to revise all 19 subjects from your main notes just before your main exams. So I needed a concise notes to revise effectively just before my exam. Also, I am very poor in making my own notes. I always felt of missing some important points. So I made a BTR as my choti copy, a quick and easy reference for revision. If you are also like me, struggling with making your own notes, and also confused or worried about balancing different resources, this video is for you. I will discuss step-by-step approach how I moved from rapid revision to BTR and then math sign-ups. When I started, I had taken 1 year break from studies during my internship. I had no context with my book. It was like starting from the scratch, rebuilding my study routine. I did not do much research. I had Marrow, so I started with Marrow Rapid Revision. But I personally will suggest you to follow teacher-wise or any platform-wise, whatever you have or like. Firstly, decide your primary resource. One more important thing, never start all the resources together. Keep adding your resources according to your needs. Now, I will discuss with the help of a chart. So, firstly, set your exam timeline. Set it as May 2026. If exam happens after May 2026, that will be a bonus time for you. But set as May so that you can be mentally prepared, be more consistent and disciplined. Now, if I count, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months in my hand. We have to plan accordingly. If we consider exam in the month of May, during the month of April, you only have to do the revision. There should not be addition of any new topics. All the topics you have to cover beforehand. If you have started earlier or starting now, please try to complete your primary resources before your November INI CET. This will be your first revision. After your first revision, you will get the idea of your topics and also important PYQs and other important topics. After your first revision, you can add your resources like from November 10 to 10 December. I have used BTR as my second resource. This will be your first reading of BTR. Your first reading of BTR will be a passive revision. You watch the videos in 1x, but never watch in 1.5x or 2x in your first revision. Try to set daily goals, set daily targets of your 18 subjects plus integrated system and complete your BTR in 30 days. It's totally possible. From 10 December to 10th February, you can do your second revision of your primary resources. Your second revision is the most important revision because by now you know the important topics, concepts, and you have to memorize them all. At the same time, side by side, you have to do your second and third revision of the BTR. Your second revision will be passive revision from the videos and the third revision will be active revision. Now I will tell you how you can do side by side revision of your BTR. Say your primary resource, try to complete within the timeline. For example, if you are giving 5 days to the surgery, day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, by day 4, try to complete your primary resources. On day 5, do first revision of surgery BTR and give subject test by the evening. Now I will tell you how you can do side by side other subjects. Like in day 1, complete your daily targets. For example, if you are setting targets of completing 2 or 3 systems in a day, complete those at the night time when you get tired. Give 1.5 to 2 hours and do passive revision of the other subjects from BTR. This is one way of doing side by side BTR. Now I will tell you the other way. So before giving GTs, keep 1 or 2 days as buffer days. Here, based on your subject-wise performance from your previous GTs, you have to do fast revision of those weak subjects so that you can score well in your GTs. Now we will go back to our chart. So after doing passive revision of your BTR, you have to do the active revision of the BTR. Here you take the blank notes of the BTR and try to explain to your friend or any other object in front of you. Till here everyone will do. But if you want to stay ahead of others, you have to give extra push. By then you will get to know all your volatile topics, all your weak topics. You have to master your weak topics. For that I used Math Synapse. I took 2 months subscription, watch twice all the sure shots and also the surplus topics to get the concepts and also mnemonics to remember my weak topics. So in the month of March you have to do your 3rd revision of your primary resource and 4th revision of your BTR. In the month of April you only have to do revision, no addition of new topics, as I have said before. This roadmap is practical, as your first revision I have kept for 2 months, your second revision also I have kept for 2 months, third revision I have kept for 1.5 months, and your fourth revision 1 month will be enough. With time you have to decrease the duration of completing your whole subjects. I have also made a subject wise days distribution. This is a subject wise distribution to complete your all 19 subjects in 60 days. You can paste this in your wall. I hope you got the idea how I managed to do all. Lastly, I will like to say, listen from many, follow your own, so that you can create your own story next year. With this, I would like to end today's video. If you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries, do comment below. I will like to answer them all. See you in the next video. Goodbye.